Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Today we're making a smoked chuck tender roast and Spanish rice. Here we have a 2 1/4 pound chuck tender roast. For our binder, we're going to be using the fajita sauce by Kinder and fajita seasoning by Kinder. Smoke at 350 degrees until 165 degrees internal. Mix 4 cups of water with 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic salt, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and 3 tablespoons of tomato bouillon, and mix together. Take your roast off the smoker, put it in the steam table pan, along with 2 cups of jasmine rice and your mixture of seasoning and water. Wrap with foil and smoke until 200 degrees internal. Take the roast out and then fluff your rice with a fork. Here's the final product. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, check out the rest of the videos on my channel. I'm also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Same name, Smoke and Grill with Will. Please like and subscribe.